Good evening from the Central Illinois Weather Network. I'm Larry Eastep. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for east central Fayette County and south central Illinois, effective until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10 o'clock p.m. Central Time, National Weather Service radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado located near Brownstown, or 8 miles east of Vandalia, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted include St. Elmo, Avina, Lagudi, and St. James. Let's take a look at this on the Evansville, Indiana Storm Lab digital view here right now and show you along US 40, I-70 here, just to the east of Brownstown. We're seeing this very prominent purple and white. We're also starting to see what looks like a hook echo along this same cell here. Let's put velocity mode on and you can see very clearly what the National Weather Service has issued this warning for. We have red and green, this dark, deep red and green mixing here just to the north of Brownstown. It's going to be going towards the Altamont area. Again, also St. Elmo, Avina, Lagudi, and St. James. Let's put this in motion. Let me take the road signs off here just to give you a little bit better view. Let's put this in motion and watch the velocity mode as this storm has really fired up just to the east of Vandalia. You see the red start to come in here. As it gets into the Brownstown area, it kind of really becomes concentrated, and now again we're starting to see this very deep red mixed with a very deep green. Back to reflectivity mode, we'll show you the same thing. Very bright whites and purples. That tells us very high reflectivity coming back from that concentrated area. Watch the whites and purples pop in here right as it moves into Brownstown. We have had no reports of a tornado on the ground. Of course, it is nighttime. There is also very heavy rain with this cell, and it looks like we're also probably getting some hail as well as this storm tracks along I-70. Moving to the east at around 10 miles an hour. We'll put a path cast on this here, and we can kind of give you an idea this cell, where it's at right now and where it's going to be. Again, if we're looking at this particular part of the cell moving east at around 10 miles an hour, it will go, well, it's saying here no cities in the path, but we can go a little further to the north here and show you it will be in the St. Elmo area by 10:27, Altamont by 10:57. This is going to be a potentially dangerous storm as it moves along I-70, US 40 towards the Effingham area and south of the Effingham area over the next half hour. Again, a tornado warning in effect for east central Fayette County and south central Illinois until 10:30 p.m. Let's go to the St. Louis radar. We also want to show you the severe thunderstorm that is producing winds in excess of 70 miles an hour right now, just to the south of O'Fallon. Swansea, Mascoutah are in the path of this storm. Also Scott Air Force Base. Scott Air Force Base sits right here where you see this lightning bolt. This little brown diagram here shows you the boundaries of Scott Air Force Base. You are in the path of 80 possibly mile per hour winds, 70 to 80 miles per hour. And look at this also just to the east of that over portions of Clinton County. From Trenton down to Germantown, we're starting to see what looks like a hook here as well. Let's put velocity mode on that real quick and see if we are seeing any rotation there. And we are starting to see some greens coming in with some reds. No tornado warning out for Clinton County right now. In fact, no warning out for Clinton County. But as this storm moves off towards the east-northeast, we can look for the possibility of rotation with that storm as well. You can see lightning scattered throughout the entire area. Again, the storm we're watching very closely, though, is this one in east central Fayette County. A tornado watch is in effect for this area until 3 a.m. Again, a tornado warning for east central Fayette County until 10:30 Eastern Time. Central Time rather. I'm Larry Eastep in the Central Illinois Weather Network.